The seal is installed here now on this 96 Freightliner steering gear. I've only partly installed it. You've got to get it down far enough that little snap ring can go in place, but not go too far, because you can't mess it up. That's why there's a special tool made for it. It's made so it'll drive it far enough and sit flat on that surface on the outside. Such a thing wasn't available when I started doing these long ago. And it's best to use something like a socket, because if you're trying to use a punch, it's going to rotate around uneven or damage the rubber part of the seal or something. If you can get the required tool, try to. Especially if you're working in a shop. If you're doing it once a year or less, sometimes it's a little hard to invest the extra money into it. But anyway, that's where it goes. And like I showed, once I get it all the way down, I'll put that snap ring in there. I haven't removed this screw yet, because if I mistakenly go too far, after the snap ring is in place, I can reconnect the remote starter switch over there, and I can bump it over just enough to make the seal pop flush up against that snap ring, so it's not riding too far down inside the gear to get damaged. Then of course remove this, and currently while I'm working on this, that remote starter switch is disconnected from the ignition wire, so that there's no mistake on bumping it or something, because you certainly don't want to be working on this and something goes wrong and comes shooting a seal in your face. So that's all for now. Thank you.